Hey guys, welcome to Tacoma Lifestyle. Today we'll be installing these bumper shells on this 3rd gen Tacoma right here. These are designed to cover up this chrome piece right here on the back bumper. This install is really easy actually. All it is removing 3 clips, putting on your new piece, and replacing those clips. All right, let's get going with the install. Your 3 clips are located underneath your bumper. They're located right here. We have another one right here, and our final one is back here. So what you want to do is pop out the middle of the clip. That way, when it comes out just a little bit, your whole clip should just slide right out. So after you get that first clip out, you're going to repeat the process with the other 2 clips. In addition to the 3 clips that are underneath the main chrome piece, there's a 4th clip right underneath the bumper itself here. You'll use that so that this plastic piece will be a little looser so that you can get your bumper shell underneath here so it can sit flush. Now that we've removed those clips, you'll grab your bumper shell replacement. This is the color match version to match the MGM truck, and it just slides right over the existing one. It goes on right there. So you're going to want to take your pry tool or flathead screwdriver and kind of loosen up this outside edge of the plastic. Don't worry about scratching or damaging this chrome piece because you're going to cover it anyway. Now that you've loosened up that little piece right up here, you're going to want to make sure that your bumper itself is clean before you put on the adhesive that's on the back. So you're going to start by installing this corner right here using your pry tool to get it underneath this plastic piece. It's really important to note that this has a plastic protective layer on it. You're going to want to keep it on for this part of the install just so you don't scratch your new piece. So now that you've got it on, you'll remove your plastic film. Now that that film layer is off, we're going to put back all of our clips. Alright, so now that this side has been replaced, we're going to jump over to the other side and repeat the process. Alright guys, we got these bumper shells on here. Finally got rid of that chrome back there, and I think they look great. Let us know what you guys think in the comment section.